What's up, guys? Highbay 601 coming at y'all with a video. Y'all see what it is? We're gonna pet the pupper before we start talking. What's up, fat boy? Got a lot of water in your mouth there, don't you, buddy? I gotta take him to the vet tomorrow, y'all. He's so mean with the vet to a point where he's only a puppy. He just turned a year in June. Okay, so since then, I've been giving him pills every month. He chased everything. I've been giving him pills every month, you know, for the heartworm prevention. So tomorrow, I gotta take his butt to the vet, and they gave me 2 pills to actually give him like an hour before I take him. So it can kind of sedate his butt, because when he get down there, he won't let me put a muzzle over his mouth or anything. Nothing at all. So I got to give him them pills to sedate him. So just when he get down in the cage, they can stick something in just to put his little butt to sleep, so he can get his shots. Okay, so since they sedating him, they're gonna give him a year heartworm prevention, which is gonna cost about $450 for a whole year for his rabies and all that. Everything's due right now. And he has gotten big. He has gotten big. I don't know. He won't let nobody mess with him but me. Fat boy, come on. Yeah. But I try to stay friendly with him as possible, but he look like an animal. I ain't lying, look at him. Wish I had done a dog to breed him with. Fat boy, very smart. Come on, fat boy. He play games too. Okay, no fat boy. Here we are right here, guys. So, a couple of days ago, last week, I experienced, well, I'm gonna say this. For quite some time, I experienced, when I started playing lows, I hear a speaker trying to cone out. Like I said, I had this box in the truck maybe like 3 years now, 3 or 4 years. And maybe it could have been because of distortion. Maybe I messed up a sub in the past from distortion. But as time went on, whatever sub in this box got worse. And it clipped my amp one time. So I said, okay, that sub finally done went bad. Only on low end. Only on low end. So I actually unplugged. I reached in the port and I took my voltmeter and I checked each coil. And to my knowledge, what I thought was the bad sub, I unplugged one of the coils. So when I fired it back up and played it, it played about a minute and it clipped and it never came back on. So then I decided to diagnose the problem, trying to take this sub completely out, because this is the sub I thought it was. But I just checked each coils, and the coils on this one sub seems fine. And so I took the speaker directly, put some more wire on it, and I put it directly to this Hyphonics amp, and I couldn't get it to play. So then I started to think, okay, is the amp bad now just because the sub basically, just because I got a bad sub? So I took the amp out, put the amp in my Mustang. I got 312s in my Mustang, which I don't have an amp in that car either right now. So this amp played on the 312s for probably about 2 minutes. Then the amp started going crazy, going to protect. So that deleted that problem. So the Hyphonics Brute is bad. Maybe it's bad because I had a bad sub, but at the same time, it gave me a good run. So I'm not really mad about that. And to be honest with you, I want to put more power in this truck anyway. I'm gonna get into this box. Pretty much, here it is. This is the top layer. Y'all probably question like, okay, dang, it's a blow through. Normally the access to get to the subs is a little bit more easier than this, or your box ain't sealed good, high base. Well, let me tell you this story. When my installer built the box, you know what I'm saying, I was hoping he would cut a hole. Let me just get up here a little bit. I was hoping he would cut a hole back here, just that section, just so I can take that section out. But it really don't matter because this is sealed right here. This is all sealed. So basically he had that top layer siliconed in. He had it siliconed in, and then he had it drilled on the side right here and drilled on the top. And it was also, it wasn't, well, it sits in here. That's what it sets at, but it did have screws going in. So, but I guess I just actually, they weren't in there good, to be honest with you. I just actually pulled them out. Okay, so yeah, trial and error. So next time, what we're gonna do this time, see, I ended up putting that Barbie brace in there actually to support that top, because when I actually got it back, I did have some top flex. So when I put that brace in there, all of my flexing went away. Okay, so this time around, I'm gonna upgrade to 4 more Sundown 10s, and I'm not quite sure which one I'm gonna upgrade to, but I'm gonna upgrade to 4 more Sundown 10s and more power to go in that blow through F150. Okay, so this time, what we're gonna do this time for support, which he said, you know, he wished he would have thought about putting brace in the box, but he didn't think it would flex that much, but apparently, you know, it did. But like I said, but that right there that I put in there actually stopped the flex. And it's just this only little area right here that's to worry about, right here. You know what I mean? So what we're gonna do this time, I'm gonna get him to put 2x4 in the middle here. Since I broke it down, I'm gonna let him actually, you know, do the 2x4s in the middle and get it all tight. One here and one between the other 2 subs. That way I have a brace over here to keep that top from flexing, and then he can, you know, I can just drill it down from the top of the box. But I wanted to share that with y'all guys. Like I said, I'm finna pull these subs out and I'll let you see what that look like here once I'm done. Okay guys, got them all out. So now it's time to test and see what can I find out. But anyway, y'all look for the next video of me actually putting this thing back together. Honestly, man, since it's so close to the end of the year and it's about to get cold, I'm probably not gonna do anything until after the holidays. I'm just gonna kind of be contemplating on what I'm gonna put in here and what other changes that I possibly can make. I'm already getting an idea right now as I speak, but that's the plan. Like I said, all thumbs up. What's up? Keep watching.